Hello YouTube, Basin Truck here, and we're out on another farm, out in the middle of, well, I wouldn't say middle of nowhere, but we're out there. There's nothing around except this building that's being built right here. And the reason we're out here today, as you've read in the description, the owners have asked me to help them install a 5,000 watt off-grid solar setup. So I was out here earlier this year talking to them, and they finally decided to do it. It's pretty late in the year, as you can see. It looks pretty cold. It is cold. And we've got to get some trenching done before the ground freezes. So I am here. We're going to mark everything out. They are going to trench everything with their tractor that I mark out so we can get the conduit and the electrical in the ground before it freezes. The rest of the equipment's on its way. We're going to document this for you guys of installing a 5,000 watt off-grid solar system. So come along for the ride. Okay, so we've got everything measured. We've got it all marked. They're going to come through and put the trenches in, and we will be back to run some wire and conduit. Hello YouTube, Basin Truck here, and today we're in installment number 2 of installing a solar system. So, where we're at right now is we have trenched, over 800 feet for electrical. Just under 200 feet for some gas line, and probably 400 or 500 feet for some water line for an automatic horse feeder. But we're concentrating on the solar system today. I'm trying to get all the wire put in the trenches because tomorrow is supposed to be nasty. And the next day it's like 17 and snow and ice, and it's going to delay this slightly. But that's okay. It is what it is. We'll get it done. But here is all the work we've done so far. Now out there, now it's hard to see where we're at right here. Maybe I can move over a little bit and get down a little lower. That run is for the solar array. The solar arrays are going to be way down there. We're only doing one, but we put in 2 lines just in case we want to upgrade in the future. This line here, which Y's off down there, that is our line for the shop, which you can see the pipe coming up out of the ground down there, and then it also goes over, you can't really see it, behind those 2 trees there's a little cabin. We're going to put some power down to that too, so we've got 2 runs that are going to run down there. That's for the gas line, that's where the propane tank's going. But as you can see, it's a very nice fall day out here on the farm. But just trying to make the best of it. It's going to be nasty tonight and tomorrow and the next day, and then we're going to warm back up a little bit. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for part 3. Thanks for watching. Throw a comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.